Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? And it sounds like I'm gonna start off with a burp. There we go. But that's not what I want to talk about. In this video, I'm gonna do a unboxing. Got a package from SES. I ordered some stuff. One might be a birthday present from my brothers, but for at least one of my brothers anyway. This one has taken quite a while. It has taken like over a week for me to get. Well, I got the letter that I could pick it up earlier this week, but I was working. I got off this morning, which gave me the chance to go and get it. And so here I am. It's not gonna be a regular unboxing as yesterday. Well, not yesterday, but the one before. This one, 1500 mAh power bank. I've already got a power bank before, but I needed a new one since my last one is actually getting quite old. I think I've had my last one for over 2 years. I remember bringing it to Download Festival first time back in 2018. I'm just going to open it up to see how it looks like. Oh, it looks kind of very smooth. Power bank looks real smooth, which is going to be awesome when I load it up. I think I'm gonna probably go and recharge it because I think that it wouldn't be charged. And here I got 2 Ray-Ban glasses. I think I remember at least one of them being Wayfarers. Open them up to be safe. Yeah. Let's. In a way, that's some Wayfarers. I'm gonna put that back. And then the other one. These are quite expensive. I think they cost about 1,000. Well, here's the Wayfarers. And yeah, as I said, they cost about 1,000 Swedish kroners each. The Ray-Bans. And as I said, one of them are a gift to my brother for his birthday, which is coming up soon. I think he will be able to choose one, whichever he sees fit, I suppose. Yeah, that was the unboxing. I hope you like it. We will see if I will order something more later on. But yeah, that's the unboxing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.